thina siyadla makakudla thina uyayazi into yokuqala uyazi ukuthi lento lana ifuna igazi uzomnika ini uzomnika liphi igazi unayo umntana hlala nami nje
kahle into ngifuna ukutshela na baby kahle ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuthwala
ufuna njani
athi ufuna ukuthwala
ufuna ukwenza njani hayi mina nje ngikhuluma ufuna ukwenza njani ufuna ukuthwala
yeah
awusegula ilezi ibuka ifakile ngitshela ikhiphi
ngiyakazala baby
siyagula ekhaya
no I'm doing this for us baby remember
ngifaka imali endlini angezi nemali
mara baby ke monna yes
monna wamasiko angisebenzi
was nabo mputsoro ke tlale lo tsa mthwaka so
mhlawumbe uzogcokisa utokoloshi
ngizwazi ngani impela wahamba wayokuloyo gogo lo ngamazi noma ugogo wakho noma yini yakho wayomnikeza iphenti lami ngabuza ukuthi phenti yanjani lo phenti akulona ngena ngalo period mhlawumbe
yeah
Yo, with your boy Am, it is what it is before it was what it was. This is Save My Relationship brought to you by Spread Inc. Entertainment. On today's episode, Tumelo bringing Uzinhle. Let's get into it.
Dumelang guys, ka lebitso ke Tumelo and ke tlile mo Save My Relationship. Guys, ke tlile mo go tlo bolela le girlfriend ya ka regarding my situation. I have a situation yelore ish I get to tlo but I'll just have to talk to her and see how she takes it.
Yo, with your boy Am, it is what it is before it was what it was. As I said to you guys earlier on, that I'm gonna be having Utumelo noZinhle. Right, Zinhle? Ngiyaphila. Do you know why uze usho yethu?
hayi angazidala nje
Do you know our show?
sidala nje
Ours next. So vele wafika nje kuphela wahlala phambi kwecamera ungazi ukuthi wenzakala.
mangele ngazi ngibizele indaba
Oh, okay. Tumelo, did you brief umuntu wakho?
Unfortunately ask much.
Okay, so it was just a thing of okay, utlotla mona on the show without telling her.
Yes, like I thought maybe you should find everything here.
So how did you get her to come here? Because Baba will tell you hey, it was difficult to get moto. Baba they lied to the people who were going to a place like this, like that. How did it came about?
Actually, I lied to her. I said nkapeta uno, knowing very well or get lamuki. So baby.
Okay. Okay, let me explain to you. Enagi, it saved my relationship, ne? That's the name of our show. So what we basically do here is that we assist umuntu onemfihlo or someone who wants to speak about something that they cannot speak about. Maba sendlini boy too in their relationship. Imfihlo, it includes imfihlo, maybe and anything that destroys a relationship. Mara mostly is imfihlo. So, how is your relationship, guys, going? Agna next. How long have you guys been dating?
For 2 years.
2 years in Chol. Oh, okay. So, okay, Utumelo, I spoke. Utumelo, and I think there's something he wants to tell you about Uyokzisela. Okay, Tumelo, you can. The stage is yours. You can speak to Mutao.
Ish. Zinhle. Baby, you know that.
My baby is this.
No, listen, my love. You know you're frostana, ne?
Frostana in.
Yes, ngiyakuthanda ngisho baby. Mamela baby.
Mophe motho ichance ithi akutshela into akulethele yona la kule show yethu.
Okay. Yeah, ish, baby, the reason why you are here, it is because of there's something I want to tell you, and it's been 2 months, 3 months. Ufuna ukutshela yona kodwa angazi ukuthi ngitshela kanjani yona baby. So ish, ngiyabhayisiseka my love. You know ukuthi ngiyabhayisiseka. Angisho ukuthi angisebenzi vele.
Ngikhuluma.
Yeah. So the point is ngingathatha decision yabona. So and let decision angazi ukuthi izophatha kanjani my love kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe in the long run ingasisiza mina nawe. Yabona ngikhulume namachita vele bangitshela ukuthi yazini into ngiyabhayisiseka kodwa singazamela something yabona So ke le ke bolela le majita da ba ra mfana re jike somewhere mo Para. So go ne le makrize mo ko Para so ore tsore ke reng jwang baby man. Okay. Yeah, something like that, but nkareng. Okay. Honestly, babe, this is what's happening, ne? Out here do you know Kabelo, right? Kabelo.
Lo namehlo amakhulu ne.
Yeah, Kabelo, yeah. Kabelo grand baby. Vaga trends and stuff. So gile kucha Kabelo din sang. Arno man. Gone le makrizo mo Para aka uthusha. Wa bona. Ka re jwang Arno. Wena just have to bring dilo tša hao, underwear ya ka le tša motho hao. So ke ile ka decide gore ke thome process, but as ke fetša process, there are still some things that I have to.
Mana ke underwear uyenzani konje?
Eish. Botse no nyaka zaka baby.
Suyagula ekhanda.
No. I'm doing this for us, baby. Remember,
ngifaka imali endlini mhlambe. Angizi nemali mina.
Mara baby ke monna.
Umunna.
Yes.
Munna wamasimba. Angisebenzi mina.
So what about my pride, baby?
Yazi uyagula. Yabona uyagula. Uyasangana lo. Uthi ubani imona kunamehlo amakhulu?
Yeah, Kabelo.
Uthini? Nenze njani? Ngifuna ukwenzani kahle angikuzwa mina.
Asimuzi uthini ngoba
Akaxoxisi lo muntu andifuna ukuphulela umoya.
Okay, this is what happened. Kabeletse Kabelo angisha ko mkhekulola. Ka re fitla da makriza a re tlishe underwear ya ka la underwear ya hao.
Usiyagula ekhanda. Uyazi uyagula. Yakula. Eyami underwear. Eyami.
Yeah, baby.
Ayenzi njani?
No, akre kinyoko re how no process. Atume process.
Ngithi ayenze njani yami underwear?
mhlawumbe uzogcokisa utokoloshi.
Ngizowazi ngani impela?
Akutsebi, but it's part of the process.
Uyalamba.
Akunyuku baby.
Yazi nomuntu lona hle. Yini inkinga yakho vele? Angisabona kusuka lapha eSuthu. Ubuka manje wenzani? Yini inkinga yakho? Awuneliseki.
No, baby, kinyakazaka mina.
Kinyakazaka
Akibereki.
Awuyithoni na izaka kimi. Mawuhleli nalabo Kabelo bakho lapha. Into entudana ngayo le nikhulumani manihleli nonke.
Athi ufuna uba indoda naye aze nemali endlini.
Imali emkhoshosho.
Umsebenzi awutholakala ngithi.
Baby,
Sashaya nami nje.
kahle into ngifuna ukutshela no baby kahle ukuthi mina ufuna ukuthwala baby.
Ufuna njani?
Athi ufuna ukuthwala.
Ufuna ukwenza njani? Hayi mncane athi ngikhuluma. Ufuna ukwenza njani? Ufuna ukuthwala?
Yeah.
Awuseyagula. Ilezi ibuka ifakile mtshela ikhiphi. Uthi ufuna ukwenza njani?
Baby,
uyangibona kodwa mara uyangibona.
Arinezaka.
Awunazaka. Manje indlela ufuna imali le ngokuthwala.
I've tried everything.
Mina mawuthwala.
Kisha receive Monday to Monday baby. Nothing is happening. So ke diyeng.
Mawuthwala mina ngenze njani mina? Le nyoka idle mina ne. Imuncu mina.
Baby, we'll cross that bridge when you get there.
Asizwe isithwalo sakhona ukuthi sihamba kanjani ngoba into sekazihambisile angithi sawu process khona manje bekazokutshela nje kuphela ukuthi sekayenzile into yakhona.
Shuthi uzothwala ngendumi yami.
No, baby, astabore wena. So the thing gore as she grateful details. I was just letting you know gore this is what's happening, my love. She jiki to me like a process. Hence I'm saying like she jiki kicheri some of your
Belongings.
underwears.
Uchathile?
Yeah, it's part of the process, babe. So bari le kitla jona then
Ngaphandle mvumo yami.
no agree no kibelela lwena my love.
Ungilethele lokho la.
Okay, awungitshele izinhle bozovuma na if bekakutshelile before azitshontshe into zakho.
Ngisho ukukhuluma bengengivumi.
Bangekuvume.
Never. Uyangulela lo, uyangisanganela.
Yiwo ayenzile into ayenzile. Lento ayenzile.
Bhuti abantu ngona musuthu. Ngicela ubuyise iphendula mezwe. Uyangizwa. Angicela futhi nje. Ngicela angiliceli kahle kahle ngilibuyisa ongokwami.
Baby, understand something. Baby, understand something. It's part of the process, baby, and I need this.
Khosi semasimba. Tshela lo gogo lo uma ukuthi ugogo bani angihlangene abuyisa into ngifuna into zami. Usuyamisile khona.
So what about my pride and I'm
Hlangana mina. Ungazongidakela wena. Ngihlangana lapha nalapha. Oh, please.
Zindle Ima, awumamele cala ukuchokhele.
Ngimamela ukuthini lezongisenza.
Mhlambe lento lezo benefit na noyi2.
Ngisho noma kuthiwa mina ngamane ngishirize ngizinqo phansi ne. Angeke mina ngithwale. Yes. Maye efuna ukuthwala yena, hamba uthengisa ngepipi lakho once. Ne? Please ungisize. Ngoba mina yabona ukuthwala ngamane siyeke kuthandana.
Okay, Ima asimamela asizwe ukuthi sithini story sakhe. So okay, Tumelo, kopa unje se gore okay, why ba batla dilo tsa motho wa hao instead of your things only?
What I was told, Gore, it's part of the process. But like the only way it would work, Gore, get a little belongings system to Mrata, and the person who Mratang, this is the person that I love. The only way.
So, okay.
Agro partner ya kama.
Agere ke motho a mratang.
Ngicela ungirata manje. Buyisa into zami, rata omunye. Mina mina ngifuna lerato lakho yaso. Thatha uthando lwakho ufake kokweni. Cela buyisa nje into zami. Into zami.
Awumthanda uTumelo.
Yazi sephele ngisho 50% othando. Buyisa into zami. Baby amasimbi. Buyisa into zami.
This means. Baby, understand something, man. Eh? I'm doing this for the both of us.
For me.
It will benefit us, baby.
Okay, what's gonna happen? Ka dilo tsai.
I didn't get the full details.
You wanna you just took the things.
Yeah, like I'm just following instructions.
As a sacrifice in trainer because it looks like he sacrifice. Wow, batla dilo tsai.
No, as a sacrifice. They just wanted the belongings to high.
Baitsa batlo itsang.
I asked them to the full details.
So if you got le motho hao to that place,
yeah, like okay, maybe baby. Listen, my love. Maybe the only way or understand, understand everything or why. I don't know.
Or it's a different.
Yeah, it's a different thing maybe because now I'm put so. Yeah.
So when did you start the process?
Last week.
So this is the last stage or gig stage Tom.
Yeah, final one is so this was
lo muntu ngiyamusinda umuntu uthi uthathe into zami ngaphandle ivumo yami
ngifuna si understand nami yabona yiko
wahamba wayokuloyo gogo loyo ngamazi noma ugogo wakho noma yini yakho wayomneza iphenti lami ngabuza uthi phenti kanjani lo phenti akulona ngena kuma period mhlambe
yeah
yamona lo yakula wena ekhanda
mara baby you have to
yazini phelile phakathi kwethu
no baby
you know something
angisamdingi lo muntu lo muntu okwazi ukuthatha into zamaphandle kwami shuthi endlini ngelinye ilanga ngofica ngekho lutho enganjela ngabantu
I'm doing this for us baby. Remember this is
sizodlela ukudla lokuganda ukudla thina akusithina siyadla mara kudla thina uyazi into yokuthwala uyazi ukuthi lento lana ifuna igazi uzomnika ini uzomnika liphi igazi unayo umntana
no asimampotsori kudiraga ine but they didn't give me full details but the instruction was kitlele underwear yamthwaka
mase beyenzani
I don't know babe but I'm sure
hamba kanjani ungabuzanga wena
no you don't ask you just listen to instruction because
but you don't ask questions.
No, besides me asking questions, I'm just saying you don't ask so many questions. You just listen to instructions. No, after that it was a process. Then I'm still in the process. So no, but like underwear. So I don't know next, but there are other things still. Some of them sanju ke violent. Ngas thole ki one. So sanju go
mina ngokwenza ndaba.
Ngomsiza ukuthwala.
Yeah, I can say.
Ngomsiza ukuthwala mina. Akathwali ngami lo muntu wodwa.
No, aki one baby. Like sanju we read two.
Oh, blow kade khamisile. Akhambisi ngani futhi?
No, kabelo vice chair. So but the only way you're there in a span. Kuri kitlelwe yena. Hence bar like first kitlele
yazi kwenzakalani
phenti ya hawo
yazi kwenzakalani uyanginyela ne uyangisanganela uyagula wena la
I thought I was doing this for us.
ungazongidakelwa wena mina ngisebenzela mina ngisebenzela mina ungangisanganeni nje uyagula lona yasangana yazi uyagula futhi nje yazi angisafune nje lutho lwakho yazi thatha wena buyisa nje ipenti lami uqhubeke nalokho golo uthandane naye
No problem because there's no turning back, baby. Shitike vele.
Manje mina
they are in the process, my love.
Ngifuna ipenti lami uyangizwa ngikhuluma isiZulu ngifuna ipenti lami
Ngiyakuzwa baby.
mfana womusuthu ngicela ubuyisa ipenti lami
Kuyitshajo ankari.
uthini lona uthini
Ngiyethatha kanjani baby? Ngiyethatha kanjani ngoba
uyihambise kanjani waseqaleni ungitshelanga mina
ish baby. Bengazi ukutshela kanjani kungakho sisila my love angisho bengifuna ukukhuluma nawe kahle ngapproach kahle
awumtshele wena ngesisuthu ukuthi keri ngifuna ipenti lami ngibadla penti yaka
baby
busi ipenti lami phume kimi ngiphume kuwe ngiqhubeke nomsebenzi wami iyondliwa
so what are you saying
so wena ungatshelanga yonke into le bese wachubeka wayenza ayenze
uyenze nalo mngane wakho nemehlo amakhulu
khona manje angithiwa akutshela ukuthi wenzeni I think
ungitshela manje
une cold feet which okay uyachubeka le process le ufuna umuntu ozomkhasa ukuthi hambe naye lento ayenza
uzoyidla yedwa le mali mina ngingikwazi ukuthi
nizoja no2 angithi no2
uzoyidla angengidle mina le mali izodla mina le mali angeke lona kathi buyise lena akamtsheleni bafowethu angibuyise into zami
u2 years yamlahla nawo 2 years wakho
baby
awusisi ngiyamnyeka lo
awusamfundi
suka ngiyamnyeka lo maningi amapipila ngaphandle lo phelile
bonga mthando kusho ukuthi
bengimthanda kakhulu shem kodwa yabona u100% othanda usekho
ngendaba ukuthi ufuna ukuthwala hayi ukuthi
uthwala akangitsheli
no baby lalela ayinabungozi lento leyo
yazini
ayinabungozi ngelendlela ocabanga ngayo
izomsebenzela lento
izosenzela yena hayi mina
sonke mina nawe baby ayisisonke kulento le
lento lokuqala kuthiwa ngazi ufuna into eziningi kanjani mina ngamani ngihambe ngoqalaza ngaphandle wena qhubeka uyofuna amanye amaphenti angithi nisenza amaphenti hamba ke wena naloko kwakho lo nofuna amaphenti mina uyadana
baby I thought I was doing this for us my love
wena phela
you are done I'm done
baby no no baby you can't say that my love
uphelile utshela
after everything that I went through baby just to nalo regret Kala, remember I'm doing this for us my love for our future
bezoba ngcono ubenzeni wathi ngiphethi lami
kube bangathatha iphenti lakho kube usithwalele nje
bozomkhasa ngangitshelanga bo
wena
bozobona ngemali
okay sorry baby okay baby sorry can understand now I should have told you before but no kuyawubuza my love I should have told you before
yona into yazi balabala ngakabubuza ngithi kuphelile
my love
akezwe lo muntu kuphelile
phela kanjani ngoba sisonke kulento le
thatha le mali ngiyakupha nalelo phenti nimonthi nenze njani
so awusabi ukuthi bazoyenzani iphenti lakho le
ngizothini mina mvele ngumzulu mina yazi angeke kungenze fokol mina yazi naloko kwakho lo engamazi
okay fine ne I will carry on with whatever I was doing.
You carry on with the process.
Yeah, it's okay. Ngitlambo yena ngiyamthalisela. And that's all I'm saying like was partner but that money is not enough and remember I'm a man. I'm a man. I must provide.
Provide amasimba. Thatha yabona lenyanga le izomunqela ipipila lakhe mnyeka hamba.
Uzama ukuthini manje? Uzomsebenza nawe?
Ngizomenzani? Ngizokwenzani? Wena hamba nalokho kwakho lona niyazi nikhulumeni ngithi mina ngizokwazi ukuzondla but ebengingipikisha ifiber vele ne so ngizokhalelana ne
so uyayivuma lento
akahambi mina ngeke ngikwazi vele uthandana nohlanya uyahlanya phela next week uzobe nana yini into efakele le necklace le uzobe emncane umunqwe iyo lento bomnyane inyoka bazokunena akabuzanga bakusothi bibe ngikuchishitha ngomasimba lento khuluma amasimba
so Tumelo
yeah is my brother ngiyabona ukuthi it was just a waste of time
yebo nje
just a waste of time
so you destroy your relationship instead of fixing it no nakanang or letting her know
I thought maybe being transparent to her would make things easier yes but since I'm put on tampa no
are you going to continue that process since you guys are breaking up?
I don't have a choice.
You are continuing with the process.
Kuphelile. Kuphakathi kokuthi ubuyisa into zami.
Uyaqhubeka ngeprocess ukuthi niyahlukana nihlukani uyaqhubeka ngeprocess.
Nawe indaba yakho. Ungazonginyela abantu uyanya.
It is what it is before it was what it was. It's your boy M signing out, and this is Save My Relationship. Unfortunately, on this relationship, nothing was saved, as you guys saw from the two people that I had on the show. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We out.